I'll get the net, mate. You got him on? Steer him your way, mate. Towards you. Yep. Steer him this way, buddy. Steer him this way, mate. I got him for you, Barry. The one I lost for him before was huge. Beautiful. Yeah, if you grab us 2 bags,
yeah,
mate, that'd be unreal.
Thanks,
yeah,
mate. I think it's might be cheaper for 3. So
3, that'd be awesome. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, I don't eat them.
Good bait, though. Yeah. Thanks, mate.
That's better than those.
Yeah.
That's a good look.
Right, hook the lip grip on it.
Bottom lip?
Yeah, that's it.
Like that?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, here.
so now grab it and hold it like that, mate.
Like that.
Yeah, and
I
hold it
can't
up.
spike
That's
it,
it.
can
No, they got no taste, mate.
Like that.
Yep,
Didn't come in.
that's all right. Smile, mate. Well done.
Faster the phone.
Yeah. Oh,
You're gonna keep it.
yep. Geez, they're
Saying they're locking the gates down and we're about to get told to get off.
oh, he's already on, mate, is he? I'd say. Is that him?
Oh, that is it.
Yeah.
Go there, crack up it.
Are they really kicking us off?
Apparently, yeah.
What time?
Oh, well, apparently the gate's getting locked there now.
Oh no. That'll be right. Best bloody days fishing here I've seen for a year or more, and
Well, I've never seen it like been fishing here lately. It's been crazy.
well, we've been down plenty of times in the last month and have done no good.
Oh, shit. Not much longer.
Yeah, geez, that's a snapper too, I reckon.
Oh,
That one's better.
No, it's a line, isn't it?
Oh.
Grab the net for him, mate. Go down with the net. Quick, it's up. No, it's over there. He's a nice salmon too. Go, Baz, go. Oh, he's a real nice salmon. The young bloke lost one probably half that size again before. Oh.
yeah. Yeah, good fun, though. Good fun, good fight, aren't they?
Yeah. Head first, Barry. Head first. That's it. Good job.
Good job, mate. Well done. No. Bro, no, what did you end up with last night? I'm going to sleep.
Oh, righto.
Thanks, buddy.
So who said that they were closing it off?
This fella was walking past them, yeah. Apparently there's a ship or something going on.
Great.
Yeah, shut it up.
Higher, higher. I'll get the net. Hold up high, mate. You got him? Hold up high, mate. Oh shit, it's a good one too, Barry. On a net job, mate. It's bigger than the other one, Barry.
Yeah.
Oh, a good one, this one. Actually, it's not. Is it alright?
Worth the trip now, mate.
Yeah.
Ah,
Nah, he's got that line. Oh, it's just over it. I'll walk over. Hang on. I took the Yelmo to Melbourne the other day and we didn't get none. Took the tinny down there out in Port Phillip
yeah.
and he caught 150 bait fish. Just smashed it and I said, right,
me
I'm
brother.
going to freeze some and bring them down to Portland.
It's like my brother last night. I was getting all the sort of runs and that. He was catching all the cooter.
Yeah, right.
All the bait.
Yeah, that's the big school and comes from about every rod. And we're trying to tangle this one. There's why they need to cast some lures, mate. There's a marine on there. Just come right then. Every single rod went.
Take it up.
There you go. Good job. Very good. Want some other rods too, bro?